Hey guys, it's Aman
And Christina
from Our Rich Journey. We just got back from Singapore. It was 4 nights and 3 days, and we travel hacked the whole thing. Our flights were free, our hotel was free, and the trip was amazing. Really because it was free. No, it was an amazing trip. And so on today's video, we're gonna show you exactly how we did our travel hack. We're gonna show you the points we use, the programs that we utilize, and we're gonna break it down for you. So maybe by the end of this video, you could do the same. This is just one video in our Singapore series of videos. In our other videos, we talk about places to stay, other food to eat, and we're also gonna do a cost of living in Singapore video. So please subscribe to our channel to keep up with the rest of the videos.
Before we get started, let's talk about what travel hacking is. Travel hacking is the use of credit card sign-up bonuses to obtain enough award points just from the sign-up bonuses alone to get free hotels and flights.
Now we go into detail in our first video on this YouTube channel where we break down the 8 steps to travel hacking. So you can refer to that video to get more details on what travel hacking is and how you can utilize it.
It's important when you're thinking about sign-up bonuses and which credit cards that you need to get. It's important to think about what type of travel that you're looking for. If you're looking for travel points related to hotel or for flights, then those are the types of sign-up bonuses and credit cards that you should be looking to sign up for.
In this particular case, we know we needed flights and hotels. So we targeted flight cards and hotel cards. So let's break those down specifically.
Let's start off by breaking down each aspect of our trip, starting with the airport lounges.
So what was really great about this particular trip is that we were able to use our Hilton Honors card for lounge access. Now, this is a benefit that's provided on several cards, but American Express has this thing called a Priority Pass that they'll allow you to get 10 complimentary lounge visits with the card.
And what's great is that Aman and I both separately got this same card, so we ultimately ended up getting 20 total complimentary lounge visits between the two of us.
So every travel hack begins with a flight. We flew on Delta in this particular case. Let's break it down. For this particular hack, Delta made the most sense, but we're not loyal to any one particular program. And that's the thing about travel hacking. You should always go after the sign-up bonus that gives you the biggest bang for your buck and that fits your needs the best.
In this case, the Delta American Express card worked the best for us. It had a sign-up bonus of 60,000 points each. So between the two of us, we were able to get 120,000 points from the Delta American Express card. We also got the Platinum Delta American Express card with sign-up bonuses of 70,000 points each. So combined between the two of us, we got 140,000 points for the Platinum Delta American Express card. With sign-up bonuses, it's important to note that there are a minimum spend amounts that you need to meet in order to get the full sign-up bonuses. In our case, for the Delta American Express card and the Platinum Delta American Express card, the points or the spending that you needed to reach ranged from anywhere between $3,000 to $5,000 over a period of the first 3 months that you sign up for the card.
In this particular case, we spread those bonuses out over a 12-month period. We knew 12 months ago that we wanted to go to Singapore and that we were going to travel hack it.
One of the great things about travel hacking this trip was that we got to ride business class on the way back from Singapore to home. We would never actually pay for business class flights because they're so expensive, but by travel hacking, we were able to use those points and enjoy business class flights for free. In the end, we were able to travel hack to and from Singapore by taking 4 economy flights there, 4 business flights back, and it all was free. We used 260,000 points, and the cost savings was almost $9,000.
Let's talk about our hotel also. Let's look at where we stayed and how many points we used to stay there.
So we stayed at the Conrad Centennial Singapore. This is a 5-star hotel. I mean, this hotel is right in the heart of Singapore. It's close to Marina Bay Sands and really accessible to everything in Singapore. We were in one of the most premier areas.
And we had one of the best rooms in the entire hotel also. We stayed in the Centennial King Suite, which included a full, complete separate bedroom with a king-size bed and a separate living space also. We already talked about the Hilton Honors American Express card and getting the complimentary lounge visits, but we use this same card for our stay at the hotel as well.
Each of us signed up for the American Express card.
And that gave us a total of 250,000 bonus points.
Another benefit of signing up for these cards is that you're automatically given a higher status. In this particular case, we were given gold status through Hilton.
And gold status at this particular hotel gives us complimentary visits to their lounge. For this particular visit, we stayed 4 nights and 3 days at the hotel, and it was completely free. We ended up using 244,000 points to stay there, and it was a cost savings of about $3,200.
When we signed up for these cards, I mentioned that we got an automatic upgrade in status. So status at this particular hotel gave us free access to the lounge and also complimentary breakfast every morning.
With our card, we're also able to attend an afternoon tea every day at the hotel, and this consisted of basically all-you-can-eat snacks and drinks to include alcohol. And then after that, almost immediately after that, they also had a free cocktail hour, so it was more snacks and more drinks and alcohol.
Now these aren't just your typical snacks. I mean, you could have made a meal out of some of these snacks.
Let's do a quick summary of the cards that we signed up for in order to get our free trip to Singapore. We had 3 cards that we used. We used sign-up bonus cards for the Hilton Honors American Express card, the Delta American Express card, and the Platinum Delta American Express card.
So these were the cards that worked best for our trip. Now when you're travel hacking, what you want to do is get the biggest bang for your buck. And in this particular case, this was our plan. But your plan may be different. You may already have flights taken care of, or you may have your room and board already taken care of. So you go after different cards. What's important though is that you develop a strategy for your travel hack. This trip would have cost our family of 4 $12,000. It's amazing that we're able to do this absolutely free by travel hacking. And that is the power of travel hacking. That's $12,000 that instead of spending on vacation, we can save. In fact, that's $12,000 of travel that we probably would not have taken because we're pursuing financial independence. But while pursuing financial independence, we found a way to be able to travel the world for free and live a rich life.
We just love Singapore and we really want to go back. Hopefully this video gave you some tips as to how you can get to Singapore for free. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.